These various lines of evidence combine to provide a compelling case for the roundness of the Earth, reinforcing the scientific consensus on the subject. Observe a ship's disappearing hull. Watch a ship sail away from the shore and notice how the hull gradually disappears from view, starting from the bottom. This happens because the Earth's curvature obstructs your line of sight. Witness a sunset or sunrise. Notice how the sun appears to rise from the horizon and set below it. The curvature of the Earth causes this phenomenon, as different parts of the planet are exposed to sunlight at different times. Fly around the world. Take a flight that circumnavigates the globe, and you'll see that the journey will eventually bring you back to your starting point. This demonstrates that the Earth is not flat but a spherical shape. Observe the shape of Earth's shadow during a lunar eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, when the Earth is directly between the Sun and the Moon, the shadow cast by the Earth on the Moon is always round. This can only happen if the Earth itself is spherical. Observe the changing constellations. As you travel from one hemisphere to another, you will notice that the positions of the stars and constellations change. This shift in perspective is due to the curvature of the Earth. Look at satellite images of Earth. Images taken from space clearly show a round Earth. Numerous satellites orbiting the Earth capture these images, providing irrefutable evidence of our planet's shape. Follow the flight paths of long-distance flights. Flight routes are planned considering the Earth's curvature. When flying between distant locations, you'll often find that planes take curved paths instead of straight lines, which aligns with the Earth's spherical nature. Experience gravity. Gravity acts equally in all directions toward the center of mass of a spherical object. The consistent force of gravity experienced around the globe supports the concept of a round Earth. Observe the Foucault pendulum. The Foucault pendulum demonstrates the rotation of the Earth. As it swings back and forth, its plane of oscillation appears to rotate slowly due to the Earth's rotation beneath it. This phenomenon can only occur on a rotating spherical Earth. Consider the consensus of scientific knowledge. The overwhelming majority of scientists, across various disciplines, agree that the Earth is round. The extensive evidence from geodesy, physics, astronomy, and other fields collectively confirms the Earth's spherical shape.